Ohayo gozaimasu, which means good morning. Ohayo, which means good morning to friends or family. Konnichiwa, which means hello or hi. Konbanwa, which means good evening. Sayonara, which means goodbye. Jamata, which means bye. Oyayu, oyay, oyasumi nasai, which means good night. Oyasumi, which means good night to friends or family. Arigato gozaimasu, which means thank you. Do ita do itashimamishi do itashimamishite, which means you're welcome. Sumimasen, which means I'm sorry, excuse me, or thank you. Itadakimasu, which means thank you for the meal after eating. Uh, ite, itekimasu, which means I'm leaving now. Iterashai, which means please go and come back. Tadaima, which means I home. Okairi nasai, which means welcome back. Okairi, which means welcome back to friends or family. Onegai shimasu, please, which means please when you make requests. Hajima mishite, how do you do? Otakure sama deshita, thank you for your hard work.